Hello, my name is Reeya Kothari and I am from Western University in Canada. I'm here at the JCRC because my Master's of Global Health program has collaborated with Joint Clinical Research Center in Lisboa. So I'm a student intern practicing my student internship. I have enjoyed my experiences at JCRC. My most favorite experience has been a community outreach where we went to a school, we interacted with local students, we learned about culture and tradition, and it's an experience that I will never forget. I want to thank JCRC's management and everyone who supported me and my colleagues. We truly appreciate their continuous support and continuous assistance. I want to wish JCRC a happy 30th anniversary, and we hope to come back very soon and be a part of this community again.